Good morning. Welcome to another day in 8. This one's an exciting one. I'm going on my first solo canoe trip. It's time to start heading out, load up the car with all my gear, and head to the east side of Algonquin Park. Got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me, one quick stop in Barry's Bay for food, and then before I know it, I'm going to be paddling on one of my favorite lakes in the park. I would be lying if I said I wasn't just slightly nervous. This is my first solo canoe trip, and I know I'm quite capable. I trust my capabilities. I think if anything, it's just I wonder how I'm going to feel. Is it going to be just at peace, or is there going to be some loneliness involved? And regardless, I'm challenging myself and going on an adventure. So let's do it. I'm excited. I can't wait to get to the lake. All right, we're in Barry's Bay. Gotta get the groceries. Not too much to get. It's only a 2-nighter, and I'm doing mostly freeze-dried meals, so. Food acquired. Let's get out of here. Let's get to the woods. Where the pavement ends and the gravel begins. We're here. Well, we made it to the access point. It's time to get unloaded, get everything packed into the canoe so we can start heading down the lake. I'm coming on a Friday, so it's busy. I'm gonna have to race to there, make sure I can claim my site before I can start exploring the lake and having some fun. Okay. Canoe's fully loaded up. It's time to hit the water, try to get a campsite. All right, here we go. My first time doing a solo canoe trip. Awesome. It's you can see kind of what we're working with here. Like one big canoe pack. Got my 3 rods. Here in the back. And a beautiful lake in front of me. Looks like the site is clear. Let's go. Land ho. Let's claim this site so we can go do some other fun stuff. Okay, we got it. Here we are. Take a look at this. So it's just around 2:45. Still like the heat of the day. Sun's high. It's muggy. I'm gonna take this time to completely set up my site tent, where I'm gonna hang my pack, because this isn't really the time that I'm gonna be birding or fishing, or at least it wouldn't be a very effective time to be doing that kind of stuff. So let's get camp all set up and make my home for the next 2 nights. Ta-da! We even got our pack hanged, tent fully set up. So I think we're gonna head out into the canoe, but I'm gonna get dumped on here in just a few minutes. I can see the cloud of rain coming. The calm before the storm. It's nice, it's comforting knowing I'm all packed up and, all set up and ready to rock here. I think I honestly might just sit on a rock here and watch the storm roll in. Here's the wall of rain. It's coming. It's coming fast. Whoa. Wow. The mighty east side, man. The weather just rolls in. So epic. Like 1 second it's sunny blue skies, 32 degrees. The next it's like it drops 10 degrees, wind comes in, thunder rolling, rain cloud, can't even see the island anymore. 2.5 minutes later, back to blue skies, time to hit the water. Let's go fishing and birding. Amazing. Look at this sunburst through the clouds. Wow. Okay. This storm feels like it's changing again. Yeah, here comes the rain. This is epic. Wow. Oh. Oh, we're on. Burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it. We're on. We're on. I think we got a little ski. 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 We got... Oh no, Canadian gold, baby! Canadian gold! Look at that. Beautiful walleye. Nice. Starchy. Look at that. Sweet. Beautiful Canadian gold. Nice walleye. It's bleeding a little. One more show, get that dorsal fin up. There we go. We're gonna get him right back into the water. There he goes. Oh, we're about to get really rained on. Oh! Ah! Oy, oy, oy. Oh, sweet. There's a bald eagle. Adult bald eagle right here. Let's get a picture of him. Well, these birds can sometimes be skittish. Sweet.
That was so avoidable. That was so avoidable.
Alright, we're on the rock. I'm feeling particularly greasy and sweaty. It's been muggy. And there was a good, what, I don't know, 2 hours there. It's 7 o'clock now, where I was in the sun, so. We're gonna take a dip, just a quick little swim. And we'll, feel so much more refreshed after that. And a snack and catching a fish will feel all the much better. Yep. Hey, nom noms. Listen to this. Some crazy GMO apple, but it is really good. We'll get it out there. We got one on. Unfortunately, I missed the bite. Oh, yeah, okay. Doesn't feel bad. No, not bad. And it's a channel cat. Here we go. Oh. He's into this little eddy. Almost got him on land here. There we go. Awesome. There we go. Nice. Off all those barbels, those whiskers, some people might call them, very sensitive to electromagnetic movements. So they can feel things in really dark, turbid water. They do not have scales, it's skin, and they can even taste through their skin. So things that are dead, dying, or stinky, channel cats can find really well. Sun's going down now. It's absolutely beautiful. I got what I was coming for, which was a channel catfish. So that was sweet. We're gonna get back in the boat there and make our way back to camp. Very, very happy so far with the half day. Overall, the mood right now, very, very nice. Very, very peaceful. It's crazy how stormy it was just a few hours ago, and then the scene that's before me now, just completely in contrast. The colors are all mixing so wonderfully right now. A golden hour. Wow. Well, I made it back to camp. I'm gonna wrap the day up here. I'm just gonna end with a quick freeze-dried meal, and then I'm gonna hit the hay pretty much right away. I have a big day tomorrow where I'm gonna be birding and fishing and geeking out the entire day before leaving the day after that. So it's been another great day and 8. Catch you on the next one.